guys!
It's Vanessa
and Veronika,
and today it is 2018!
Happy New Year everybody! First video of 2018. How cool is that?
I am so excited to be sharing, we're all going to be sharing all the new videos that we're going to be posting in 2018. We've got some inspiration, some fun videos coming up.
Some challenges.
I'm super excited.
I'm sure there'll be some vlogs there too.
Yes. So many people think in 2018 that they would need to make their
thoughts reality.
So that's what we're going to be showing you guys how to do today. But we have done a law of attraction video like this, which is very similar to making your thoughts a reality. So I'll put that in the description down below. So let's get on to the first experience by money.
So we wanted to tell you about how we manifested our trip to Dubai,
yes.
Which actually we haven't even planned, because when we were booking our flights to Bali, which we made a vlog for you guys as
Put
well.
that in the description down below.
So when we were booking flight tickets to Bali, I was talking to my mum and wanted to maybe stay one day in Dubai. But then we were saying we don't want to waste the time, we want to spend more time in Bali, so we just wanted to spend the shortest time in Dubai airport and fly off to Bali.
That was the good thing we wanted to do, but...
Very fast and very quick, but you need to be careful what you wish for, because when we arrived at Gatwick Airport, what happened was that they gave us, or they changed our flights and they told us we've got 24 hours in Dubai.
And that was also due to the volcano in Bali, but we are alive and Bali is very safe, so if any of you want to go to Bali, it's totally safe because we're still alive from this video 2018. You may carry on.
Yeah, definitely. So we had the pleasure and we spent a day in Dubai, so which was amazing and we loved it, and we definitely want to go back and do more vlogging for you guys.
But for longer and actually staying there for a decent amount of time and not 24 hours.
Definitely, but it was definitely a manifestation, and you know, our thoughts, or my thoughts, became a reality. So
that just shows a lot what it can do, and we are not making these up. These are actually true stories that has happened to us. So please don't be like, they're just making it up to seem interesting. This does work, and this is very true. If you try it, or if you
practice it,
you're gonna be freaked out by how real it turns out to be.
Well, and the second one, what happened, will Vanessa tell you about how she manifesting things.
So we went to Kidropolis earlier in the middle of 2017, and well, basically there was a toy section, because Kidropolis is like toys, fun stuff, activities, and there was this huge Tommy stall, and they had these toys called Molan. I have never seen them before in my life before, and I was so memorized by them because they're so soft. Like, even I told you to feel them, and I was like, I need this. And then I asked them the next day, are they on sale, how much are they? And they were like, oh sorry, we're not selling them. My heart sank. I was like, I need this in my life. My life will not be complete. This day will not be complete if I don't have this fluffy furry toy in my bed tonight. So then my mum was actually talking to the manager of Tommy, and she was telling, well, thanks mum, because otherwise I wouldn't be able to, get the toy. But she figured out that I was a YouTuber, well, we were YouTubers, and she was like, can you do a review on your channel? And I was like, I will do anything for me to get that toy. And she gave it to me. She also gave me some other toys that I still need to review on my channel. But I was so happy because, like, even though they didn't have them on sale, there was still another way for me to get them, and I just didn't think it was that way. So I was overjoyed, and I was literally showing all my friends. I'm like, look what I got! Being a YouTuber is definitely a good thing. So that was a fun experience for me, and I was so happy at the end of it.
And I think you can share with the viewers your reviews, what you've done with the Molang actually, so they can have a look.
So the video is out already, so don't forget to go and watch that. It's basically me unboxing and showing you guys this soft marshmallow bunny rabbit cute thing that I've ever seen in my life. So let's get on to the last experience, and then we'll get into showing you guys how to manifest things.
So the third thing that we wanted to share today with you is my manifestation as well.
Yes, you had a lot of like experiences with the universe while we were on holiday. It was a lot of them actually.
I don't know whether I don't know whether because Bali is very calm and spiritual, really nice place,
nice
and
energy,
a lot of temples and stuff. But yeah, so it was basically we were picking some souvenirs and wanted to look around. And what I wanted, I just pictured this head of Buddha that I wanted, and I was like, because I like ornaments and kind of match it in my house about like silver and glittery and things like that. So I really wanted one. I was like, I don't want anything else, you know, I don't need anything, you know. We bought some souvenirs for friends, but then I said, for me, if I found anything, it would be this silver statue or a head of Buddha that I would want. So they had different ones, they had wooden ones, sitting ones, like you name it, they had it all, but not just the perfect one that I wanted.
Like, can I just say that there were so many souvenir shops and not a single one of them has something close to what you wanted, and I was like, this is gonna be quite hard to find.
There was one with the frame.
With a box.
And I didn't like it.
And it was on a stick, but you just wanted it to be freestanding.
So then Vanessa was really upset and was saying, I want you to buy something, you know, I want you to just bring a souvenir from Bali. And I was like, but it's okay, if I don't get it, it's fine, you know, I've been there, we've got the memories, you know, amazing memories, you know, vlogs are out as well, so, you know, I was happy, so that was fine. And I was like, okay, the last place it is when we're flying home, you know, getting onto, getting it at the airport basically. So we're walking around the airport and we're walking through the last souvenir shop or you know, airport shop.
Going to our gate.
And guess what? Perfect silver hat of Buddha.
And it's literally that size. It's literally that size.
So literally we were running to the gate, but I managed to get it and I'm so happy, and it looks perfect in my house.
And it's literally like, it was really funny because you literally turned, like we were all talking.
And I knew it was going to be there.
And you just turned and it was right there, like the knight in shining armor, but like more like the
Buddha in shining armor.
And I was just like,
so it was there.
Whoa, that's proper manifestation.
So this also goes with
manifesting.
So as we said before, some people manifest really easily and
some people try really, really hard to picture an image in their minds. But what we all have to do, even if you are a person who manifests things really easily or has a bit of a difficulty, we all need to take action.
So if you don't take action,
you will not get the results you want. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like this video and
subscribe.
And don't forget to click the bell in the corner to get notified every single time we post a video, every single
Monday.
And we will also be doing that same as 2017 in 2018. And don't forget to
make every day count.
And we'll see you guys on our next video in 2018. Bye.
Bye.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
So I just wanted to tell you something, what happened actually to me, but we've done a video before about law of attraction, so we can put that link down below. About law of attraction. Don't hear it. Well, I'm saying it. 3, 2, 1. What do I say? You bloody goodbye. Okay. And then do I say that we've done that before? Yeah. Okay. But not the link. Okay. Not the link. Okay. Go. But we can say the Bali vlog. Because I think next to the Bali vlog I only mentioned. We do my Bali vlog after. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Yeah. And you're telling me not to play around and what are you doing? Sorry, remember on the video. Is it going to be too long? No. On the video it will be like, let's get on to the first experience. Bye, Mummy. Why aren't you talking?
Don't forget to make 3, 2, 1.